Each candle is manifested. They go through a tika and a mantra recitation ceremony before they get sealed in boxes. The seal is meant to be opened by the person who's to light the candle. Inside, you'll find this Rudraksh bead. It's a natural seed from a Rudraksh tree. You can add it to your bracelet or pendant that you wear or tuck it away as a memento somewhere. When you scan this QR code and enter your email, you'll be sent a link to the mantra sound of this candle. Although you can use it like a regular candle, it's ideally meant to be a practice of bookending your day in the mornings and evenings by lighting it and listening to its mantra. It's your private sound, light, and aroma ritual that disseminates and manifests into the world with intention and auspicious sound vibrations affecting all sense faculties. And you close with waving a hand over its heat and gently caressing yourself for the tactile piece.